Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering hardware and the exact firmware. This matters. Plug the Botrix Kick into a 5V/3A supply using USB-C, then hold the P button to enter device mode. This forces bootloader access. Once connected, install the serial driver on your computer so the board appears as a COM or TTY port. While installing, make sure no other serial tools are running. This first step saves time later. Firmware and drivers must match the bootloader version for a clean flash. Next, you open the official flasher and choose the COM or TTY port assigned to the Kick. Start the upload and watch until the progress reaches 100%. Do not disconnect power or cable mid-flash. Once flashing completes, reboot the device and run the calibration routine. Follow on-screen prompts to set throttle center, yaw limits, and sensor 0. Make incremental adjustments and rerun calibration if any axis feels off. This step ensures stable performance and predictable control response. Finally, bind your controller and perform a full systems check. Confirm LEDs, motor outputs, and telemetry data are correct under light loads. Save 3 profiles, default, sport, and a custom backup to the SD card so you can restore quickly. Once done, perform a short live test at low power. If something goes wrong, first retry the flash with a verified cable, then switch COM drivers or try another USB port. If persistent, re-enter bootloader and repeat the flash. This fixes most corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.